How many of you agree with me that fine words are very important in our business? Fine words. Do you agree with me? This is very important skill. How to speak fine words, how to use fine words. Okay. The only difference between us and our applying, somebody who is experienced in network marketing, is not because of achievement, but because they know better words. They know how to explain something in much better words than us. So that is the thing. Okay, fine words is very important for our business, and I have a complete course on fine words in DNA Platinum. Okay, I hope all those who are into Platinum, you have watched this particular lesson. If you go to DNA Platinum, you will find a lesson on fine words. I've given some details on this. Now, fine words comes when you have a fine emotion. Okay, when you have a fine emotion, you speak fine words. And when you have how do you have a fine emotion? When you have a fine mindset. Okay, so the ultimate thing is everything starts with a mindset. As a coach in this weekly meeting, okay, I just want to, because these weekly meetings are not sales pitch for me. This is not sales for me. These weekly meetings are not more education. Okay, it is not about giving more education. But these weekly meetings are all about giving you right mindset and helping you all to stay in momentum. 2M. Okay. So it is very easy these days to break the momentum. It is very easy. It happens with me. It happens with everyone, especially in today's time. When we follow too many people, when we read too many books, okay, even there, there is one YouTube channel, okay, one YouTube channel, I think it is 2000books.com. How many of you know this YouTube channel, 2000 books? Similarly, there is another YouTube channel, Seekin. These two YouTube channels they create content related to books, book summaries. And his name is Manny Vaya, okay, who has started this YouTube channel. And second, his name is Jishan, okay. He started this YouTube channel. How many of you know these two YouTube channels? 2000 Books and Seekin. Both these YouTube channels are very good. Okay, I mean the kind of content which they create is ultimate. But when I was listening to Manny Vaya on podcast, and when I was listening to Jishan in Instagram Live, okay, Instagram Live, and Manny Vaya, when I was listening to him on a podcast, they both were saying the same thing. You know what? They both were saying one thing, that is, Jishan and Manny, they both were saying one thing, that is, they have read so many books on time management. They have read so many books on productivity, so many books on sales, marketing, XYZ. They have read so many books on a single topic, because of which they are fully confused. Both of them are going through this problem. Now that's a reality. Okay, both of them, Manny Vaya and Jishan, they both have shared this thing, that I read so many books, everything is good. Every book writer is speaking they have written the best thing or best strategies to manage your time, best strategies to manage to be more productive, best. Everything is writing their best. The problem is, okay, why? I mean, they are fully confused. I mean, they are creating content. They are able to make money. You know why? Because after reading books, they have created content and they're making money through content. But they themselves are not able to implement the same thing. The reason is because of content overloading, information overload. Absolutely. Information overloaded. Correct? And they are now fully confused. Right? So, all the content creators who are creating content on YouTube, all the content creators, even myself, whatever content I'm creating on internet, whatever content I'm creating on YouTube, Instagram, podcast, whatever, it is just marketing. It is just marketing. But personally, whenever I create a content, personally, now I have changed my style of creating content. Now I am more and more creating content related to experiences. If you have noticed, whatever content I'm creating related to experiences. So too much of content related to a particular topic. Now, say for example, how to be more productive, how to make more money, passive income sources, how to earn passive income, ideas to make passive income, business ideas of 2021. These kind of content, I mean, it is already too much of content available on internet. And you know what is happening because of this? This is actually creating more and more confusion. And there is one very strange thing. Okay, you know why we are feeling confused? Just type why. Okay, just type why. I will give you the exact problem. What is the exact problem which we all are facing? Everybody is facing these days. Just type why. I just want to see how many of you are actively listening to me. Why we are confused? Yeah, good. You know, reason is because Jishan, Manny Vaya, Gary Vee, Tony Robbins, whatever, just whoever you are following, okay, each and everybody. The problem is, just give me a moment. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so whoever influencer you are following, the biggest problem is, okay, it is hanged. Okay, just wait. Okay, whoever influencer we are following, the number one problem why we are confused is because everybody is correct. Everybody is correct. Gary Vee, correct. Sam Owens, correct. Okay. Tony Robbins, correct. Eric Worre, correct. And Indian influencers like Siddharth Rajshekhar, correct. Okay. Saurav Chen, correct. Saurav Chen is saying, okay, future is Instagram automation. Okay, Siddharth Rajshekhar, he is my mentor. Okay, and he says knowledge business is the future. Somebody is saying something, somebody is saying something. And you know, another thing is the big problem is everybody is speaking right. Everybody is saying this is absolutely correct. Logically, everything is right. Logically, does Instagram has future? Yes. Does TikTok has future? Yes. Does coaching has a future? Yes. Everything has future. And that is why we are confused. Okay, that is why we are confused. Yeah, I'm also correct. Okay, everybody is correct. Now just imagine if you follow 10 plus influencers, if you are following 10 plus influencers, and suppose if 9 are wrong, 1 is correct, so you will judge yourself, and you will follow only 1%. But the problem is everybody is correct. When everybody is correct, when every book is good, when each and every book which Jishan is reading, every book which Manny Vaya is reading, and then they are creating content, if every book is saying different strategies to achieve the same thing, this is creating confusion. What to implement? Okay, what to implement? And also these days, another big problem which is happening is group workshops. This is another big problem, and I have stopped attending such kind of workshops where you will find a very fancy advertisement. Okay, this Sunday we are going to have a special group meeting where we have invited person 1, person 2, influencer 1, influencer 3, influencer 4, influencer 5, and now the grand influencer, somebody from outside India, is coming to India, like this. So mostly Success Gang do this. Okay, I'm not saying this is wrong. But what I'm saying is, what is happening with me? I'm just sharing the same with you, okay? Because this is a private meeting. You all are into my inner circle. So that's why I'm just sharing my feelings with you. I have attended such kind of group meetings, okay, where they plan a meeting like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a small break. I've attended such meetings and I have literally learned so many things. But the problem is this, everybody is correct. And when at the end of the workshop, at night, I was thinking what to implement. Everybody is correct. And at the end of their talk, okay, everybody, they get 21 minutes. At the end of their talk, they give their free lead magnet. And we understand they are giving their free lead magnet. Why they are doing such kind of event absolutely free? Why? The reason is because everybody wants to promote their free lead magnet. Avi Arya has his own lead magnet. Saurav Jain has his own lead magnet, and their lead magnet is a free course. Correct or not? Now, at the end, when I finish this workshop, actually I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9 courses, 8 to 9 free courses then I have. Now just imagine 8 to 9 free courses means 8 to 9 people are going to send you emails. Digital Deepak will say this is good. Saurav Jain will say this is good, that is good. Kabir Naik will say copywriting is good. Everybody will say everything is good. But the problem is your business will not be good. Okay. Everything is good. That's a problem. That is a problem. So this is what I have realized whenever I book such kind of meetings. And no, now what they are doing absolutely correct. I'm not saying they are doing something bad. They are doing absolutely correct. But what is happening in the market is there are so many people who have invested so much time, money, energy. Okay, there's so many youngsters. Okay, these days, I mean, you will see. I mean, till now, for last for last 10 years, we have heard so many people saying network marketing. Because of network marketing, I have wasted so much of time. Because of network marketing, I have wasted so much of money. Because of network marketing, I have lost my friends. Now you will see in next 5 years, and that's my guarantee. You will see people will say, due to digital marketing, I have lost my money, time, and energy. Problem is not with network marketing. Problem is not with digital marketing. Problem is too many people. That's the problem. Right? So how many of you agree with me that this is a problem? And if this is a problem, what is the solution? Okay, what is the solution? I have already given you a solution in a form of a DNA 2.0 model. And the solution is focus on network marketing only. Even if you are learning from any of these mentors, all these are world-class marketers. All these are world-class marketers, okay? And all these people, 9 to 10 people who come to this workshop, everybody is equally good speaker, equally good marketer, equally good. They have copywriting skills, equally good email writing skills. Everything is good. Now, what we have to do is we have to focus on our own one thing, and our one thing is network marketing. Now, just learn from them, but don't get drowned or don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused, like whether should I leave network marketing and should I go to this particular field. Even if any of you, I would suggest, if any of you want to become a coach, okay, if any of you want to become Instagram influencer, okay, suppose you want to become Instagram influencer, there's no problem. But what you can do, what you can say is, I am a coach in network marketing. Similarly, you can say Instagram influencer, I'm Instagram automation expert for network marketing. Focus on one thing, and whatever you do, whatever you learn, copywriting skills, Instagram, whatever you learn, keep everything connected to network marketing only, else you will lose track. Don't lose track. Okay. Are you able to understand this or not? So in this weekly meeting, I just wanted to start this meeting with this very important topic. That is, don't follow too many people. Problem is everybody is right. That is a problem. Okay, don't follow too many people. I don't at all join any of these workshops. I attended once. Okay, if you have never attended any Success Gyan event, you should attend at least once, but don't attend again and again. You will get so many emails, you will get so many things. And I understand, as your coach, I understand that many of you are still struggling even after learning. Somebody who is learning too much is actually struggling. That's a new problem. That is a new problem of 2021. Too much of learning is another problem. So don't learn much, just implement. Take action, and whatever you have learned, just implement everything. Okay, but connect it to network marketing only. Okay. Yes. Okay, got it. Okay, because see, there are so many people who are dependent on you. Especially I will not take name of any person, but I have observed some people who attend every workshop, who attend every webinar, who attend every training, who attend everything. Okay, they attend everything. And when you attend everything, you tell the same thing to your wife also, you tell the same thing to your parents also. Today I'm learning this, today I'm learning this, I'm learning that. Now, you know what will happen. How many of you are married? How many of you are married? Just type married or single. Okay. I want you to realize this one thing very important. Okay. This is very, very important. I want you to realize, yeah, you are the captain of your ship. Okay. Yes. You are the captain of your ship. She is your wife or husband, spouse, and these are your kids. Okay. These are your kids. These people are fully dependent on you. Yeah, you are the pilot. These people are dependent on you. Don't waste your time. You have to realize this. You have to take responsibility. Okay. Yeah, I'm not saying you should not learn or you should not make money from other sources. You should make money from many, many sources. But keep your one thing, it should be unshakable. Network marketing means it is network marketing only. Okay. So everybody, all these people are dependent on you. And you know what happens whenever, okay, there is one person in my team, I will not take name. Okay, now he is totally off track. So he's totally off track now. What happens? What happened when he started network marketing with our team? What happened? 2 a.m., 3 a.m., he used to watch YouTube videos. Okay, Santosh Nair and all those people. There's so many Sonu Sharma, and there's so many people he used to follow. He used to watch all the videos, and you know, after 3 to 4 months, his wife called me. This is a real thing. After 3 to 4 months, his wife called me, and she was crying. She was crying, and she asked me, and she told me that, sir, please ask my husband to leave network marketing. Please ask my husband to leave network marketing because he has left his job. Entire day he is just learning, and literally he has invested more than 50,000 rupees in just buying courses. Santosh Nair, somebody. I mean, I don't know the name of the people, all those people. He's just buying courses, and now he is frustrated because he's not able to make money. And now he's scolding her, and the environment at home is not good. It is not a positive environment. He's even not able to pay his children fees because he's left his job. Okay. And I literally called him and I told him, please leave network marketing because there are only two options. Okay. I always say this. I asked him this question: yes or no? Do you want to do network marketing? Yes. Or you don't want to do network marketing? No. Okay. Whether either you choose yes or no, both are good for you. Okay. Both are good for you. Leave network marketing. Just say no and leave network marketing. Don't see this industry at all because this industry will always attract you again. This industry will again attract you and you will be again attracted to this industry. Because once network marketing goes into you, you will never ever forget network marketing. You understand the power of this business. But most of the people are in this stage. Maybe someday something will happen. And this may be like 80% and more people, they are in this category. Maybe. Do you want to do network marketing? Maybe. And this maybe situation is actually killing you. Yes means yes. No means no. Leave network marketing, go to some other profession, you will do good. But this is also shaking. I mean, you will always be confused. So if you say network marketing, yes means 100% yes. Yes means now take responsibility to make at least 30 to 50,000 rupees per month, at least. Okay, I'm not saying lakhs and crores. Okay, but I'm saying at least we all deserve, each and every person should make 30,000 minimum. I mean, you all understand these days 1 lakh per month is hand to mouth, but still I'm saying 30,000 per month as a part time. If you're doing network marketing, this much you must make. If you're not making 30,000 per month, you are wasting your time. You have to take responsibility. And let me tell you another bitter truth, and truth is always bitter. You want to hear this? Just type tell me. Another bitter truth I want to tell you. All those people who complain, yeah, I am into network marketing for last 6 months, 1 year, 8 months, 9 months, whatever. All those people who complain, yeah, I am in network marketing for last these many months or years, and they complain I'm not able to make money. Complain means those people who are not able even making 30,000 per month. Okay, all those people who are not even making 30,000 per month. Let me tell you a bitter truth. The bitter truth is deep within, deep within, you know that you have never ever put your best effort. And you will agree with me or not, this is the truth. You have never ever put your best effort in network marketing business. Deep within, you know this. Okay. So all those who are saying agree or not agree, this is the truth. See, this is a business where if you have to take it seriously. If you take this business casually, it will take you super casually. And when I say super casually, it means your entire life. This business is a very risky business. I would also say risky. Risky is because just imagine, okay, if you are doing a job, and you are not getting paid for 3 months. Example, if you're doing a job and you are not getting paid for 3 months, will you continue the job? Will you continue? Not at all. You will leave the job if you're not paid for 3 months. But in network marketing, people are not making money. Still, they are here for 6 months, 1 year. What are you doing here if you're not making money? Better is to leave it. Or if you don't want to leave it, put your best effort. Okay. Deep within, you know you have not put your effort. Okay. So that is the thing which I want to tell you, that don't follow too many people. Take responsibility of yourself. Your wife. Okay. All those who are married, chaliye, okay. Let me tell you one more thing here. All those who are married, or even all those who are single. Don't you think that, suppose this is you, okay? Suppose you are male, okay, you are husband and she is your wife. Don't you think if your wife has a very good iPhone, I'm not saying BMW and other things, but at least a very good phone, don't you think that her family members, her friends, her cousins, his sister, all those people, if your wife carries an iPhone, they will automatically think he is doing something really good. Yes or no? This is how people think. If I don't have an iPhone, that's fine. But if my wife has an iPhone, people will automatically think he's doing something good. And our spouse, our children, our even single people, okay, your parents deserve to live a better lifestyle, whatever they are living today. Okay, I'm not saying that you must have a BMW, but at least you must have a very good, comfortable lifestyle. And network marketing has a power. MLM has a power to do this. You all know this. That is the reason why you are still here in network marketing, right? So all those who are single, your parents deserve much better lifestyle. All those who are married, your spouse deserve much better lifestyle. The problem why your parents are compromising, the reason why your wife is compromising, is only you. You are the reason. Okay, you are the reason why your loved ones are compromising. So don't live a life of compromise. We already have a great opportunity. Okay, so this is the time to take full responsibility and put your best effort, because I again repeat, inside you, you know you have not put your best effort. Just put your best effort. And with this, I can recall one of the very interesting incident. Let me search. How many of you are cricket fan? Okay. How many of you love cricket? So if you love cricket, you know this person. Who is this person? AB de Villiers. Yes. South African AB de Villiers. So I want to tell you very interesting thing about AB de Villiers. So we all know he is now retired from South African team, but yes, he plays IPL. AB de Villiers, in in an interview, somebody was asking him, okay, you are a great cricketer of South Africa. Everybody knows you as a great hitter, 360-degree, yes, Vikas chasing everybody. So we all understand he is a great, great batsman. But in an interview, somebody asked him, what is the whom would you want to give credit? Okay, whom would you like to give credit of your success? And he told, okay, he said the same thing. I want to give credit to all my seniors. Okay, and in seniors were Jack Ellis. Seniors were like Graham Smith, who was the captain of South Africa when he came into the team. His seniors were Sean Pollock. Okay, his seniors were these people. Okay, so he took their name, and he took name of parents or all those people, and he also, but at the last, he said, but at the last, the biggest impact, okay, biggest impact which one person has given in my one person who had a huge impact on my career was France. France. Now, France is a country name, we know, but he told that France, okay, he was France. Actually, his real name was Francias, okay, something Francias. But in school days, he used to, this was actually name of his friend, okay. His friend name was Francias, and they used to call him with the nickname France. So he told the name of his friend France, and everybody asked him, who is France? And he told that when he was in his school days, okay, when he was in school cricket team, in the final match of inter-school tournament, he used to play as the 7th down. Okay, I hope you understand what is 7th down. After 7 wicket falls, he will go to batting. So his down was 7th down. Okay, but it was the final of the tournament. And his friend, France, he was the captain of the team. And AB de Villiers, what he did, he asked France to give him an opportunity to open an inning. This was the final of inter-school tournament, and he asked his friend, who was the captain of the team, to give him a chance to open an inning. Okay, and his friend, he talked to the coach, and coach initially he was not ready, okay, to give a chance to somebody who goes at the 7th down. He was a hitter, and why should we give him an opportunity to go to opening? But he took the responsibility. He said, I am responsible, I am the captain of the team. Okay, please listen to me, and let him go to the open, let him go and open the inning. And that was the time that coach said, yes, okay, as you wish, that's fine, you take decision. Okay, he took the decision, and he pushed him as the opener of the team only for one match, and that was the final of inter-school tournament, and he hit 100, he hit century. That was the final of the inter-school tournament. And when he hit century, he was everywhere in local newspaper. He was everywhere in at that time, social media was not there. So he was the star batsman of the school. He became star batsman of the school, star cricketer of the school. You know why? Because he got a chance from his friend. And later on, he was selected for the district team, state level team, national level team, and other things. Okay, he is an international star. So he said, just like me, there are so many people who are talented. Okay, this is a reality. There are so many people who are much talented than AB de Villiers, but everybody don't get such opportunity with which his friend has given to him. Now, his friend, he never played for South Africa. He was never selected. But because of his one decision, we got the star cricketer in the name of AB de Villiers, just because of one opportunity. So the learning here is, there are so many people who are talented than us. There's so many people who have good marketing skills. There's so many people who have good sales skills. There's so many people who can do much better. But we got an opportunity. He got an opportunity. And when talent meet opportunity, wonders happen. So what I want to tell you is, through this example of AB de Villiers, that is, we already have got an opportunity. Okay, this France, okay, name of the person, not country. Okay, this France is actually our sponsor. He is actually our sponsor. He has already given us an opportunity. Now just imagine his friend, he has given him opportunity to go and open the inning. And suppose if he is out for duck, will he ever say, okay, no, it was your bad decision, it was because of you? No, never. Okay, whether he is successful or whether he is failure, he is responsible, his skills, but he had a talent. His friend just gave him an opportunity. So our sponsor, they just have given us opportunity. Just say thanks to them, but don't get dependent on them. Okay, now it is time to show your talent. Okay, now literally, let me tell you, there are so many talented people who are doing job because they don't know there are many more ways to make money. I also sometimes feel very, very lucky to be part of network marketing. Because of network marketing, I have learned so many things. I have learned copywriting, I have learned email marketing, digital marketing, sales marketing. There's so many things I have learned in network marketing. And I know that I'm going to improve this more and more. So when talent meets opportunity, wonders happen. So don't let this opportunity go waste. That is what I want to tell you. Okay. Are you ready to, you already have an opportunity, but are you ready to really make a difference? We are here in network marketing not to become another failure story. Okay. We are not here to become another failure story in our society, in our relationships. We don't want to become another failure story. We are here to make a success story. Okay. So make a success story for yourself, make a success story for your family members, and they deserve better lifestyle. They literally deserve better lifestyle. Okay, got it? So with all these things related to mindset, I hope that you will never ever now get distracted. It is a dose. You have to take these kind of doses again and again. Okay, these doses are very important. That's why attending these meetings are very, very important. Got it? Okay. Was this a mind-opening thing? Was this a bulb on? Just type bulb on if you are finding this really important, okay, useful.